Welcome to Discovering Nature, where we delve into the mysteries of the natural world. Today, let's embark on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of the kestrel. The kestrel, known scientifically as Falco tinunculus, is a mesmerizing bird of prey found across diverse habitats worldwide. Adaptable and resilient, kestrels thrive in grasslands, forests, marshes, and even urban environments, showcasing their remarkable ability to coexist with humans. With the sharp talons and keen eyesight, kestrels are formidable hunters, preying on small mammals, birds, and insects. Notice the intricate patterns and colors of their feathers, which not only provide camouflage but also aid in their aerodynamic flight. During breeding season, kestrels carefully select nesting sites in tree hollows, cliffs, or even man-made structures, where they raise their offspring with dedication and care. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks, ensuring their survival until they are ready to fledge. Despite their adaptability, kestrels face threats from habitat loss, pesticide use, and human interference. Conservation efforts are essential to safeguard their populations. It's crucial that we all play a part in preserving the habitats and ecosystems that kestrels depend on for their survival. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the Kestrel Chronicles. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating adventures in nature. Until next time, keep exploring.